Good morning, everyone. Hello, it's Kate Kaltoff. It's so great to be here. Nice cold winter day here in Minnesota, and gonna get colder from the sounds of it, but that's okay. We're equipped to deal with it. My heart goes out to all of you that are not so equipped and are dealing with this weather. Good morning. Hi, everybody. Oh, it's so nice to have you here and so nice to have you sharing already. That's fantastic. Let me just move my iPad a little closer so I can see what's going on. Oh, yes. Thank you for the compliment. Everyone's telling me they love my little pink shirt. I've had this shirt a long time. It's one of my golf shirts. Yeah, in Minnesota, we often golf in long sleeves, sometimes long sleeves coats and raincoats. But, you know, you gotta roll with it. We're just so used to not having that great of weather that when we do have great weather, it's kind of like they call it a top 10 weather day because it's so exciting. Oh, goodness. Well, thank you for sharing, everybody. I have exciting news today. I am announcing the January card kit to go from Stamping to Share. And I just want to preface this by telling everybody, first of all, apologizing to those of you that have gotten card kits from me for a long time, because this is not going to be the normal way that I've done card kits in the past. I've had to change things up because Stampin' Up! Has been warning us for the last couple of months that things are scarce. Products are not expected to stay in stock at Stampin' Up!, especially if ordering from the January through June 2022 mini catalog. It's just the way things are, and we have to roll with it. And so I am rolling with it, and I am doing something a little different. So in the more section above, you can find where I have posted the complete blog post at Stamping to Share that tells you in detail exactly how we are doing this kit to go. Also, I'm sending a special email to all of my customers who have ordered kits to go from me in the past. I'll send that out today. Kind of explaining, you know, all of the reasons for the change. All right, so anyway, for those of you that are regular ordering customers, this is going to be kind of a bonus for you because you're already ordering celebration items. Just use the special host code for this kit to go and you will get all of the card setups. Now, you don't have to have the exact items that I'm using to recreate or to create. I shouldn't say recreate, because if you don't have the exact items, you can't recreate, but you can create with the items that I supply you based on the PDF that I'm sending out, as well as the video tutorials. You'll probably be so inspired that maybe you can even use some things that you have on hand to make really pretty cards. And so I know that you will have no problems figuring this out. It's just going to be so fun. And this is going to open up the possibility for a lot more of my customers to go ahead and get the kits to go. So I'm really excited about that. So let me flip the camera down and I'll share with you the host code that you use to get the kit to go. So just give me a second. Okay, here it is. Basically, you're getting an entire card kit to go free with a $50 order using the host code right here, RUJA4W3K. And that offer, the host code is going to end. So that offer will end on January 18th. That allows me to know exactly how many kits I'm preparing, and I will send those out about a week later. And of course, there will be videos and PDF and all of the usual things that you're used to getting with my kit to go. On the blog post, I do have some recommended items to complete the kit to go. But again, if you have a large stamping collection, there's probably no worries. You'll probably have plenty right on your shelves to make beautiful cards. I'll just be providing the setups for you. So let me show you what these beautiful cards look like. I know we've got a big anticipation building here for these cards. You saw a little sneak peek yesterday. I would love to get that card and show it to you. Oh, I will. Now I can sneak over to my counter and you don't even know I'm gone. So let me do that. Because yesterday I made a really pretty card with this card kit to go. Well, with some of the supplies that will be in the card kit to go. And look at that. This is why I'm so crazy about this bundle. I mean, you can take a vacation right in your stamp room just by crafting with this bundle. It's so awesome. Isn't it pretty? So that is what I made yesterday in my Happy Stamper Stamping to Share group. And now I'm going to share the cards that are going to be in the kit to go. So let me show them to you. The first one is this one. Oh, it's so calm and relaxing. I showed my assistant, I snapped a picture of it and sent it to my assistant right after I first made it. And she goes, dang, now I'm going to have to buy that bundle. It was so cute. So one thing I love about this card, something that you just can't really pick up, but maybe you can if I hold it in front of you. There is something called, or maybe not, it's called Supple Shimmer paper. And this is our pool party Supple Shimmer, holy schmoly. This is our pool party Supple Shimmer specialty paper. There we go. I got it. So here it is. It's really pretty. It's an iridescent pool party paper, and you will find it in the first 2 cards in the kit to go. Now this will be included in your packet, so you will get, you know, the pieces to create this card. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And of course, there's an inside panel, as there always is when I do cards. And so that's the first card. So now let me show you the second card. So let me get this one out of the way. Well, I could just leave it here because it's so pretty. I think I will. Okay, here's the second card, a fun fold. Oh my gosh, yes, a fun fold. Here we go. Look at that. I used the blending brushes to sponge on some really pretty colors. And I just love how this turned out. And look at this. I'm going to show you what it looks like standing up. So I'm going to have to kind of hold it kilty cornery like. But there it is, all standing up. Isn't that pretty? So it's kind of like one of those sort of stand-up cards. I think they call it an easel card. But it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It makes me wish I lived in the, you know, on the East Coast somewhere, or on the West Coast, or just about anywhere except Minnesota right now. All right, so here we go. That's the second card. And again, it used this shimmer paper. And a lot of these items will be pre-cut for you, but not anything to do with the Paradise Palms bundle. You will have to have that bundle in order to recreate the cards exactly. Here is the third card, and you might notice more Supple Shimmer paper. This time, the pink Supple Shimmer paper. Boy, I'm getting pretty good at saying that. So here it is. It's so pretty. This is the front of the card, and we have our pretty inside. I'm so proud of myself. That's kind of a good landscape, isn't it? I don't often do landscape cards, but I thought I was doing a pretty good job there. All right, so then the next card, the fourth and the final, is this one here. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Yes, this makes me feel like I'm laying in the sand on the beach, looking up into the clouds. And of course, when you're having fun, everything is pink. Like I'm looking through my rose-colored glasses on this card. Can you tell? Oh, it's so pretty. Yay, everybody loves it. I'm so happy that you do, because I love it too. All right, you might notice there's little cute things on these cards. These are called the faux glass, something or other, faux sea glass. What is it called? Let me just look. Faux sea glass shapes. So you'll get some of those in your packets as well, so you can complete everything to make it as pretty as I've done. And there's your inside panel. All right, so let me go through what you'll need to complete the cards. So of course, as I mentioned, you will need the Paradise Palms bundle. Here is the stamp set, and here are the dies. Now, again, if you have been collecting stamp sets and dies for a long time, you might already have everything to create very similar looking cards. However, if you do not, and you really want to make the cards just like I did, you can check out my blog post for my recommended items to order, along with some optional items if you want some little extras. And so here is the bundle. The second, some of the other goodies that you will get in your kit to go are the little accents. So you will get just the right amount of ribbon to complete your cards. I will cut and prep that for your cards. You will also get some whoops, I'm losing shapes here. You will also get some faux sea glass shapes in your little packet so that you can complete the cards like I did. These are awesome. So the first level is the $50 order using the host code. And you have to do it before January 18th, but you will get at the $50 level a happy stamper token, And then, of course, all of the 8 card setups, the envelopes, the little extra fun things to make them all pretty. And at that level, you will also get to pick a celebration item from Stampin' Up. And so even though I provide the paper for you, I'm providing the paper for you on the 4th card that uses, I think it's this background right here. I recommend that you get this. If you haven't already got it, it's really awesome. I love it. It's called Marvelicious, and you can get it for free when you place your $50 Stampin' Up order. And so anyway, that's what you get at the $50 level. But of course, you can pick whatever $50 celebration item that you want. If you step it up and go to 75 with the host code, not only do you get the Happy Stamper token and the free item from Stampin' Up, but you get an additional free item from me, and that's the classic matte dot. So I'll mail that out with your kits to go. If you decide to step it up one more level and place an order up to $100, you will get 2 Happy Stamper tokens, and oh joy, you will also get as an extra the classic matte dots. And so excited to tell you this, but you will get to pick 2 celebration items from Stampin' Up. So you might want to consider the Marvelicious paper, as I mentioned, and the Island Vibes, because why not? The Island Vibes go so well with the Paradise Palms bundle. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of cards I'm doing. So remember last week on Instagram, for those of you that follow my Instagram, I posted this card. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. And I posted this card made with the Island Vibes, and I'm going to do that next week on my One for Wednesday. Okay, so I know a lot of you like to watch me in that Happy Stampers group, and I just make one card and share mailbox shares. Kind of fun. So I'll do this next week on Wednesday. And then next week on Tuesday, when I do my 2 for Tuesday, you guys are getting a sneak peek of what this looks like. But here it is. So here's the first one. Oh, isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. This is the pineapple. I'm gonna hold it up really close. Yes, oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then I'm gonna do this one. Isn't that pretty? So yes, that's a sneak peek into what's happening next week on Tuesday when I do my 2 for Tuesday. So I'm pretty excited about it, pretty excited to share this with you. So that's kind of a fun thing that you can do, that you can add on from Stampin' Up if you wanted to go that route with your celebration items. Pretty fun. All right, so I think that is it as far as how this all works. Again, just to wrap it up, here is the card kit to go information. You'll get all 8 card setups, 2 of each design, and it's free with a $50 order using the host code. And then that offer ends on January 18th of 2022. Have a great day, everyone. I so appreciate you, and have a fabulous weekend as well. Bye, everybody.